Alright, I put this video together real quick on my cell phone. Sorry if it's weird quality, but this is about the Fitbit Inspire. Just want to make this video to show everybody how it looks on the wrist, because I've seen so many unboxings, but you don't get to see it on the user's wrist. And to me, that's probably the most important part of the purchase, in my opinion. Is how it looks on the wrist. So there's a charging cable, you got the same old stuff, and there's a Fitbit. So yeah, I have a picture coming up in a couple seconds at the end of the video, actually, of the Fitbit Inspire HR. And the Inspire HR is about 30 to 40% thicker than the Inspire. It has more functionality, yes, but it's bulky. I don't know. I don't like the bulky look. So that's the normal startup screen telling you to basically download the app. And here it is on my wrist. As you can see, it's flush against the wrist. It's not popping out. It's not bulky. It's not all fat. It looks good. It's nice and sleek. It's the way Fitbits should look. Not all bulky and weird. Charging cable is short, but it is magnetic, which is cool. You don't have to worry about clipping it in properly. It's just magnetic. It does not come with a brick, so I'm using my Samsung Android brick right here. And here is the Inspire HR. As you can tell, it's a lot bulkier. It's got about the same shape with an extra little groove at the bottom that you can't really tell because it's against my skin. But you could, in this picture, you definitely can tell that it is a lot thicker. So the Fitbit Inspire is also the cheapest Fitbit of all. It lacks some functionality, but it's functionality that no one really takes into account. We just care about our step count, really. Now, if you want all that other fancy functionality, the Inspire probably isn't for you, but I love it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have a link to purchase the Inspire and Inspire HR in the description. Peace.